Vriende en collega's uit die modewêreld het donderdag met skok gereageer op die dood van Riva Steenkamp. Beeld verneem Steenkamp is omstreeks 4 uur donderdagoggend 4 keer geskiet, onder meer in die kop en bors, vermoedelik met 'n 9mm pistool. Steenkamp se vriend, die Paralimpiese kampioen en Olimpiese atleet Oscar Pistorius, is in hegtenis geneem in verband met die voorval en daar is donderdag verwag dat hy Vrydagoggend in die hof sal verskyn.
When I was on Twitter and Facebook, I saw rest in peace Riva, so it didn't really make sense to me. So when I was leaving to campus, like I know Oscar stays here, so when I saw like cars and everything, I just stopped to ask this lady if it was really true. And yeah.
Jane Silje van Ice Models het donderdag as volg teenoor Beeld reageer op Steenkamp se dood. Everyone at Ice Model Management is absolutely shocked and devastated by the news. Riva has been with the Ice family for some 7 years now, and she was a wonderful, beautiful and caring soul, and will be missed immensely. It is indeed a very sad day for all those that loved and treasured her. Our hearts are broken. Our thoughts, prayers and condolences are with her family and friends.